by paying attention to what we eat. Well, it's time for a fresh idea. Discover my delicious Uncle Ben's rice tie. Specially selected vegetables and richly spiced sauces with fluffy steamed rice. Begin with my Uncle Ben's rice tie and good taste back on the menu.
You might be surprised to see just how far £30 will go at Sainsbury's, because we've been working harder than ever lowering prices. And until Wednesday, we'll be driving down fuel prices too, with 10p off every litre when you spend £30 or more. Sainsbury's, hard at work,
well done.
lowering prices.
What you gonna do?
Say thanks to your mother with an open your heart pendant and receive the matching
Oi.
necklace as a gift. Thomas Sabo Jewelry for Mum with love.
Laura Smith.
Look all the stuff you've thrown on the floor. You, with a beak.
When you're taxiing for takeoff.